Hello. In the previous lesson you have learned how to display the info record by vendor. Well, in this lesson I will show you how to display the info record by material. So let's begin by using the navigation SAP menu, and let's go to logistics. Click on materials management, click on purchasing, go to master data, go to info record, click on list displays. For this lesson I will use transaction ME1M by material. So let's go ahead and double click on this transaction. The info record per material screen is displayed. The generated report will show only the info record that matches the selected criteria. So let's go first to purchasing organization and enter 3000 and click on the plant and enter 3200. Let's set the indicator on the price calculations to include the discounts, and I'm gonna leave this indicator set for only with purchasing organization data. That means this selection will display the info records for which data has been created at the purchasing department. So let's go ahead and click on execute. The purchasing info records for material screen is displayed. Notice that the include discount is also included in the report. Let's go ahead now and click on this vendor and click on display the info record. Notice that you can't do any changes, it's only for display mode. Let's go back again, check the same vendor and click on change. Here you could modify the record in any way you want. Go back again. Please keep in mind that this transaction or the report will have the same process as in transaction ME1L by vendor that was shown in the previous lesson. We have just concluded this lesson, so let's go ahead and click on the exit button. You have just learned how to display info record list by material. Let's go ahead now and review the quiz questions to find out how much you have learned from this lesson. And if you have any problem, please go back and review the material one more time.